believe I'm doing this. Whoa, the G-forces are... There is no way. I don't really know this circuit very well. We got a bit of oversteer over there, but nothing too serious. We are doing fantastic. No way. There is no way this car takes the corners. Everything is flying around here. I'm in love. We will do this very gently. Narrow over here. We'll let these guys get past. How you do it. Something happened. I'm not quite sure what. Little bit on the brakes because this is my very first lap. This is something new for me, and I tried to. Oh no! The way the G-forces act. This car is amazing. That corner was atrocious, but I had no idea that it's this narrow. I'm not doing a crazy speed, and I'm braking quite early just to be very sure that I do stop and not go into some fence. And I'm sorry that I don't know the name of every corner, but I'm not able to concentrate right now on that. I do know some of them. Imagine tomorrow doing this in the Beamer. If girlfriend is freaking out, isn't it?
Yes, I'm lying here.
No way. I'm in love. And the track is so empty and so free for the beginner of me. I need to try some more. Go out on the middle and full gas or electricity in this case. This corner is quite fast. I need to be very careful with it. The grip is insane. And I already have a headache. No. This car is fast. I don't know who told you that this car is not good on the track, but there is no way this car handles like this. We are taking it very, very steady. I don't know every corner yet. I'm just prepping out. I have regen on. And I have Porsches coming. The real boys are coming. We let them, and then we get, you see, that GRR is doing, I think 100 in that spot right there, where I'm doing 7. This is the most famous corner of this entire track. Oh no. Oh no.
What?
Oh no. Oh no. Ha! That overtook was insane. We need to let the boys with the real driving cars. Whoa.
Oh my god.
The G-forces you feel are quite something. Huh. Now we start to lose some grip. I will do just a short break. I need to preserve the tires because the tires are not quite the issue here because are just 11 degrees. I think the tarmac is a bit cold, and I took that corner just a tad faster than it needed to be. You don't need to speed. You don't need the speed. Let the boys. This is the result of a heavy car. The tire is warm, but it started to wear. I will not do any more. In this one, we wait for tomorrow.